Hi, myself Ajay Kumarkasuru. Welcome to our YouTube channel Amaravathi Education. Before going to start, I want to remind you people, please subscribe us if not yet done by you. Today's session, I want to walk through you guys about Azure basics. Let question, what is Azure actually? And the answer will be like, Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing service created by Microsoft for building, testing, deploying and managing applications and services through a global network of Microsoft-managed data centers. Again question, what are the services provided by Azure to manage our things? And the answer will be like 1. Infrastructure as a service, 2. Platform as a service, 3. Software as a service. Additional to services, Microsoft supports us with different programming languages including both Microsoft-specific and third-party software systems. Now let's go in deep about Azure Cloud Services. At first it will be Azure Stack, which deals with on-premises services connected to Azure, like applications, data runtime, middleware, operating system, virtualization, servers, storage and networking. In Azure Stack everything will be under user risk. Whereas in infrastructure as a service it will 50% on Microsoft responsibly and 50% on user. And for platform as a service 20% on Microsoft and 80%. Finally, software as a service will be completely under Microsoft control. Now let's have a look on services in detail. Question yourself like, what is infrastructure as a service? And the answer will be like, infrastructure as a service is an instant computing infrastructure provisioned and managed over internet. Cloud service provider will manage the infrastructure here. Now platform as a service refers to cloud computing service that supply an on-demand environment for developing, testing and delivering as well as managing software applications. This service designed to make it easier for developers to quickly create web or mobile applications without worrying about setting up or managing the underlying infrastructure of server, storage, network and database. Finally, software as a service is a method for delivering software applications over the internet on demand and typically on a subscription basis. By this service, cloud providers host and manage the software applications and underlying infrastructure and also handle any maintenance like software upgrade and security patching. By this service, users connect to desired applications over internet. Let's see what are the flavors provided by Azure. 1. Public cloud, 2. Private cloud, 3. Hybrid cloud. Let's go in detail one by one. The cloud services are owned and operated by a third-party cloud provider and delivered over the internet will be a public cloud. Microsoft Azure will be best one for public cloud. But for everything there will be pros and cons. As it was a public cloud we can expect lower costs, no maintenance, unlimited scalability and higher reliability. In the same way there will be high security risk with weak network performance. Now let's see what will be a private cloud in detail. The cloud services infrastructure are always maintained on a private network. In this, hardware and software are dedicated to your organization only. Pros and cons in private cloud. As it was a private cloud there will be more flexibility, improved security and high scalability. But because of these, investment will increase, which makes user to keep in situation of stress regarding investment and maintenance, but that will be a problem, right? It's time to discuss about hybrid cloud, which will be a combination of both public, private and hybrid cloud. So organization can reap the advantages of both private and public clouds at a time. Even for this we have pros and cons. Let's check it out in detail. Control, flexibility and cost efficiency are the best advantages and complex management is the main disadvantage in hybrid cloud to refer. That's all for today. These are just basic. We will continue our sessions with more detailed knowledge in future sessions. Any queries, don't hesitate to comment below. Thanks for watching our demo. Hope you guys like it. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Thanks for the support. Yours Ajay Kumarkasuru.